Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy protein melt dessert. Sweet, chocolatey, melted goodness on the inside, cakey on the outside, not a lot of ingredients, super easy to make, high protein, low calorie. What more could you ask for? Let's go. We want to start by adding 20 grams of whey to a bowl, followed by 20 grams of casein, and 32 grams of peanut powder. To this, add 10 grams of flour, also 30 grams of sweetener, and finally 5 grams of baking powder. These are our dry ingredients. Give that a good whisk to avoid clumping. And as always, my friend, if you're enjoying this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now our wet ingredients, let's add 1 large egg, followed by 85 grams of applesauce. Mine is darker because I add a lot of cinnamon to it. And then 50 mLs of milk. I'm using almond milk since it's lower in calories. Give that a really good mix until you get this very runny batter. You want it to be nice and runny, dripping off of your spoon, something like you see on the screen here. Very wet, very loose consistency. Now I'm going to add this to 2 4-inch ramekins. This is only half of the batter, by the way. And then I'm going to store it in the fridge overnight so it has time to harden and thicken. Once you take them out of the fridge, you want to add 20 grams of chocolate chips. So 5 grams of chocolate chips to each ramekin. Put these in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds. I ended up doing 2 bouts of 30 seconds for mine so that I had enough time to rise and cover the chocolate chips. As you can see here on the screen, you want it to be cakey on the outside and the sides while remaining melted in the middle. And now for the macros, this whole batch comes out to 499 calories with 59 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of fat. If you divide this into 2 as I did, you get 277 calories, 30 grams of protein, 19 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat. And there you have it, a super easy, really delicious, super simple to make melted protein dessert for those days when you have that sweet tooth craving, but you don't want something that'll ruin your diet. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to check out my other videos. Plenty of high protein, low calorie recipes for you to make to help you reach your dietary goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And as always, have a wonderful day.